Pwedeng makancel yung plano, pero hindi yung purpose. And the last time I checked, broken crayons, still colors. Here, we are not powerful enough to break that very purpose of God in our lives. Pwedeng nagsimula ka ng mali, pero pwede ka pa rin magtapos ng tama. God can rewrite stories, and redemption is His specialty. Pwedeng maraming plano ang nasira dahil sa kapalpakan mo noon. Pwedeng maraming nasira sa buhay mo dahil sa mga wrong choices mo noon. Pero buo pa rin ang plano ng Diyos sa buhay mo. At kung iniisip mong wala ng pag-asa, nagkakamali ka. Walang hindi kayang pagandahin si Lord. Give your life back to the source and bloom in His grace every day. Kaya pa magbago. May gaganda pa at may ikukwento ka pa. There's no wounds too deep that He can't heal, and no sin too great that His love can't forgive. Bayad na lahat, may babalikan ka pa. With love and prayers, Noel.